Hi, it's Hannah with WTI.
Take a look at this beauty. This is my new wallet by Travelambo. It is a genuine leather and it is so soft and it is a beautiful army green color, which I love. But look at this. It has a little pull-out piece. So this piece comes completely out. So when you're just shopping every day, it's so nice to be able to just pull that out with my debit card, my ID to flash if I need that. But on the inside is storage galore, which for me is perfect because I have way too much stuff in my purse, but I need it all, and so I need to keep it organized. This pocket even is big enough for your phone. So if you want to just put your phone in there and grab the whole thing and go in the store, you can do that. There's a really nice zipper pocket in the back to store your cash and coins. See, this is how many cards I had in my wallet. I just had them in like a little coin purse, and I had to go through them every single time I needed one. It was so much fun to get them out and put them all in individual spots, and they all fit with extra spots to spare. So this is a nice size wallet, but I love that you can just pull out that one little thing if you just want to have your basic cards with you. It comes in a beautiful box, so if you gave this as a gift, it's already ready to go. Just add a quick little bow. So if you're looking for a wallet that will hold all of your stuff, this is perfect and it's gorgeous.
And that's my point of view.